everyone, welcome to my channel, Learning with Law. I wanted to share with you a new external reward that I'm using with my VIP kids, and so far my kids are really loving it. I wanted something that was quick and easy to use, that was easily changeable in between my lessons, that I can change very quickly from one lesson to the next without having a lot of setup time. I do like to use my iPad with external rewards with Google Slides, but I think that sometimes it's hard to see with the camera. I think that having an actual prop, actual reward for the student, something that's tangible, is something that is going to really draw them in and it's more interactive for them. So what I decided to do was to create a pick a number board. This board is really awesome because you can use it in two different ways. I like it because you can use it with the older students, the higher levels, where they actually know their numbers and they can decide on a number that you designate for them on the board. Or if it's a student, maybe it's a trial that you're working on, a trial lesson, you want to give an external reward, or if it's a student that doesn't really quite understand their numbers yet, you can also use this board. So let me show you what I did. I created a board where you can literally pick a number. The child will pick a number. Let's say they choose number 1. Number 1, they get their star right away. Yay, you get a star. You give them their star. Let's say they choose a number like number 4. They'll get a cute little emoji. We'll laugh, we'll talk about it, talk about the face, talk about the feeling. And that is what they'll get. It's easy because I can just replace the post-it and put it right back on there. What I can also do is change these numbers and use higher numbers. If it's a student that is a little bit older, maybe you're going to start with number 20 and go to number, 50. Give random numbers, maybe numbers that are more challenging for them to either say or recognize. You can also do this with letters. You can do this with pictures. Pick a picture, pick an animal. So what's great about this is most of the time the student's not going to pick the star right off the bat. So you can either give them the option of choosing another number, or you can have them, you can put down the prop and continue with the lesson, drawing them into the lesson. You can also bring it back. We recommend giving a star every 5 minutes, but if this is a longer lesson and you want to keep bringing up your external reward, you can do this a little bit more often. They might not get the star every single time. So that's something that you can keep in mind. What I also like about this is that I've created for the lower level students something that can be pretty versatile. I have black felt here that I also use a little binder clip at the top, and I cover up the rest of the board. Holds it together. So if I'm in a trial lesson or in a lesson where maybe level 1 where the students are not actually using numbers yet or recognizing numbers, it might be a little bit more challenging for them, I will say you get a star, and I'll stick it right on there with the felt. You get a star, stick it right on. And every time you bring it up, you can practice counting with them. 1, 2 stars, and you can keep adding. I've put black felt on the back of these beautiful little stars that I printed from the computer and literally just colored in. So you can color into your liking. You could do this with any prop, any template that you want. As long as it's covered in felt, it will stick right on the felt. So that's what I like about this. I also like that you could just take off the binder clip. I'm moving on to my next lesson. I have a higher level, and here you go. You can also put the binder clip on the back to hold the felt there. And it's super fun for the kids. So this is what I used to create this prop. You can use Elmer's trifold. I believe this is a 14 by 22 inch poster presentation board, so you can use that. You can color in the background. I printed this out from the computer, and then I just put some post-it notes on here, and I taped the post-it notes down so those are not going to fall off. My actual post-its, those come off easier, and I can replace them if I want to put different numbers or different pictures on those. The supplies that you will need for your mini presentation board are obviously a mini presentation board that is 14 by 22 inches. You will also need post-it notes. You can use various colors of your post-it notes. I love post-it notes. I'm a little bit obsessed, so I have them in many different colors. You can also print out your star templates that you will definitely need to create your star rewards or any other shape, color, design, emoji, whatever you decide to do. Also, markers to color in if you don't have a color printer, or like me, I don't want to waste my ink. And I like to be creative. And it's very therapeutic to be coloring, so I like to use those. You will also need scotch tape, black felt, a stapler, and a binder clip. Easy peasy. It took me about 10 minutes to complete this really, really awesome external reward. So I highly encourage you to create one. It's very engaging to the students. They love to see whether they get a star or a silly emoji, and we laugh about it and we drag it out the entire lesson. So I really encourage you to make one. Super easy, super cheap to make. And let me know in the comments if it worked out for you in your lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe so that you are up to date and learning with law. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.